Hey guys, so I'm here to share a unboxing with you guys. I just got my package from Fashionphile. I recently ordered a luxury item and I thought it'd be really fun to unbox it with you guys. I haven't opened it or anything, so I thought it'd be really fun to share it with you guys. I really love unboxing videos, and I got a little something because I will be taking a little bit of time off from work in September, so I thought this would be fun to use and also try to use for the rest of the summer. So let's get right into the video. Alright guys, you already know the drill. Please give me a thumbs up on this video. Subscribe if you are already not subscribed, and hit that notification bell to be notified when I am uploading new videos. And also leave me a comment down below. Alright, let's get into this unboxing. Alright, so I have my scissors here. I'm gonna go ahead and open up this package. Alright guys, so this is how it looks on the inside. They put a little nail file in. I have several of these from Fashionphile. I really love that they include little goodies for you, and that's also a good way for them to market. In this little card here, I have my invoice. I'm going to move this box out of the way. Alright, so we have the item here. So I ordered this item because I've never owned one of these and I was really interested in owning one. And I was actually going to get the Gucci version of this, but it was sold out. So I wanted something that I could sort of, not as expensive as the Gucci version of this, but that I could get the same feeling with and see if I even like the trend. And then maybe later when I find the Gucci one that I want, I can order it. But I got this one. And you guys are probably like, all right, what did you get? All right, let's get into it. Here it is. It is a little bum bag or a fanny pack. But I got the MCN Visetos Reflective Nylon Resnick Small Belt Bag. So this is nylon and leather, and it is in a green color. And if you guys follow my channel or follow me on Instagram, you know that I'm trying to get more into color. I'm a very neutral person, as you can see, not only by my, you know, home decor, but also me as a person. I dress in neutrals all the time, but I'm trying to get into color. And so I got this, and fun fact, green is actually my favorite color, even though I don't wear color. So yeah, this is the bag here. So it has obviously the MCM logo on it. It has this beautiful neon orange with it. I just thought this would be fun, and because I do wear a lot of neutrals, I thought this would be really cute. I don't plan to wear it around my waist. I plan to wear it like over the shoulder. So let's see how this is going to look. So inside there is an MCM dust bag. So I brought this brand new off of Fashionphile. Fashionphile is a website where you can get pre-loved goods, but a lot of the items are in brand new condition, like no one's worn them, but they have bought it and then resold it to Fashionphile. So this is one of the items that was just brand new. It still has all the plastic on the hardware. So there are 3 compartments. There's a front compartment here, and it has the tag in it. So this bag is originally $5.95 and I actually got it for $3.50. It has a huge compartment in here. I wanted something that I can actually, you know, that would be functional. I didn't want a tiny one. And then you get a back thin kind of slit pocket here, which is really great, like if you're traveling, to put passport or your phone or anything valuable in there. And I plan to kind of, like, you know, have it mold to my body a bit. This is cute. I really like this. And you can kind of like swing it out of the way. Really cute, guys. Really cute. So if you guys want me to do a video on like what I can fit in here, like a what's in my bag with my new little belt bag here, please let me know. I'd love to film that for you guys. But I'm super excited to have this. I really like the trend of kind of like wearing your bag just crossbody here. It's close to you, so it's really great when you're traveling to kind of have this and have everything like that you need. I can probably fit so much in this, and I think this would also be really cute to wear like this. That is super cute. I'm so glad that I got this, and I love the color. Just think it'll be really handy. What do you guys think? This is super duper cute. So yeah, it's leather, and then it has nylon also. This front kind of pocket here is nylon, this like nylon material, and then everything else is a full leather. So really great. As all of Fashionphile's bags come with this little tag. If you remove it, then it's yours. So basically you can't really sell it. You can sell it back, but it'll be at a, you know, lesser price than you bought it for. I really love this. I'm gonna take all the plastic off and I'll start using this. So if you guys are interested in, you know, what I can fit in here, also maybe I can do some outfits with this and how I would personally style it. I'm very plain when it comes to how I dress, so if you guys would like to see that, you can definitely let me know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little unboxing. Please let me know if you would like to know more about the bag. I'll put the bag specifications down below in the description box. But yeah, I love this and I can't wait to start wearing it. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed my little unboxing video. Please don't forget to give me a like, don't forget to comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. If you're a returning subscriber, I just want to say how much I appreciate you for coming back and supporting this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.